Mike Logan. You know, a lot of people ask me, what happens to my swimming pool when it's raining outside? Is the pool going to overflow, cause a lot of damage to the concrete? What should I do when my pool is getting full? Well, that's what I'm going to address in this very short video. Stick around. If you have a brand new pool under construction, you want to make sure that the pool builder installs a device like this. Is called an overflow device. And I don't know if you can see it here, but it's a little slot in the deck. And when the pool gets full, it flows over through this device and connects to your downspouts that go out to the street. That way your swimming pool won't overflow. So make sure they put in an overflow device when they're building your new pool. Second thing that you can do in the event of a rainstorm and your pool is filling up and you don't have an overflow device on your pool, well, you could go to Home Depot or Lowe's and you purchase what's called a sump pump with a discharge hose. And what you do with that is you just drop it into your pool. It plugs into an outlet and it will take water from your pool and discharge it to wherever you put that hose. Most municipalities want you to discharge pool water into the sewer clean out at your house, not into the street. So check with your local municipalities, but that's the second thing that you can do to ensure your pool doesn't overflow. A third way to drain your pool during a rainstorm is over at your pool equipment. If you have a hose bib that was installed just above your filter pump, which most pool builders will do for you, you just hook up your garden hose to this spigot, open it up with the pool pump on, and it will drain water out to wherever you take the end of the hose. And so that will bring down the water level of your pool, and you don't have to worry about it overflowing.